The DualShock 4 seems to have the same drifting issue as DualSense controllers. But, there are solutions to the problem. So what are we waiting for, folks? Let's get started with the video. So, what is DualSense drift? Well, DualSense drift happens when a player doesn't touch the controller yet the PS5 still detects movement on the screen. This happens due to DualSense drift. In short, the joystick sensors within the pad are being rendered much too soon. So let's try these methods to fix DualSense drift. Number 1. Adjust the DualSense controller's input threshold. Number 2. Clean your DualSense controller thoroughly. Number 3. Lift and rotate your thumbsticks. Number 4. Reset and update your DualSense controller. And last but not least, give Sony your DualSense controller back. You will probably be able to send your DualSense controller back to Sony and get a free replacement if it is still covered by warranty. So guys, these were the 5 approaches that can be used to repair PS5 controller drift. Hope you found the video informative, and if you did, please give the video a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.